Hey, Rolling Country Outdoors, Scott here. We got the gutters on yesterday, and here's what they look like. They're 6-inch gutters, which I forgot to bring my tape measure to measure how they measure 6 inches, but anyway. So the gutters are on. They look good from down below. It's a little wavy up here, but I think that's because of the fascia board. Not much we can do. They did not put the gutter guards on, so we're a little disappointed about that. But we'll get them back out here and get that taken care of. And they didn't put the downspout on this side, which they were supposed to put the downspout over here, and it's down the other side. So we'll just have to deal with that at this point. So yeah, they're in. Okay, here's the gutter outside. A little hard to tell. They are black, which is what we wanted. It's coming down here. They did shim it out. It's all level. There's a little bit of gap up there. I wonder if that's going to leak water. Huh. Not sure. We'll have to get up there and look. Here's this one here. This is at the corner, and that is almost a straight drop. So we're going to have to put a flex hose on that to get that. Well, that is ways away from the building up there, but I guess it's all right. Anyway, so the gutters are in. Hasn't rained yet, and no rain in the forecast, but I do need to get this addressed on how we're going to get this gracefully down the hill. It's off the ground quite a bit there, as you can see. Anyway, gutters are in. There we go. All right, we're coming around here, and we're going to get some of the stuff loaded in the trailer to get to the dump. Get some of this stuff cleaned up. Get some of these bigger ones moved out of the way. Alright, a lot of this stuff we can just load up now, take to the dump. This is where I wish I had that rake that I was looking for to make this job a lot easier. Instead of a bucket and I mean, this is fine, but that rake would work a lot better. So again, the reason we're having to do this is because there's a burn ban in Maryland from July through August. And then when you do burn, you have to get a permit, I've been told. So we decided to load up and take to the landfill. That's free, and it's gotten rid of immediately, so I guess from that perspective it's easier. what I'm doing is I'm pushing this stuff that way, and then I'm going to bring that border log forward. All right, we're going to move this log forward. That way all that stuff will be on the other side of the border. Okay. Set it right down here in front. That's about perfect. Push it a little bit that way. I think we'll be good. All right. Thinking. So what my game plan is to have the trail that we're putting around the property up against this border log and all the way down to the creek. And we'll follow it. But that's the game plan. So I'll clear a path going out that way, but I think that's going to be good for what we're doing tonight. I'd like to get the trailer a little bit more full than that. I may go over there and see if I can get that stuff and put in there in the trailer. All right, we pretty much got stuff that I can take to the dump loaded. Got all this picked up. We got right up to the creek here, so that's looking good. Gives us a lot more room. I'll get all that cleaned up, but wow, what a difference. What a difference. I got all that dirt that I'll get spread out here, and then will cover that hole that we have up there. We got quite a bit of stuff in the hole to burn. Hopefully it'll burn. But we'll get the tractor, we'll get that pile spread out. And then this old burn pile here is what we'll just kind of spread on top of this. But we got quite a bit of stuff in here. This stuff that the dump won't take. And we'll get it burnt. Hopefully one last time. There's our log pile there. Got a good sized pile going. Anyway, that pile right there is my dirt manure pile. I'll probably use that to spread out here too. But coming along, looks good. This is where we're going to end tonight after coming out here with the excavator, getting the trailer loaded. So thanks for joining Rolling Country Outdoors, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.